Hello everyone, welcome to BPS Explore. In today's video, we are going to look about a device which converts our text into Morse code. This code was made with MicroPython, which is a Python for microcontrollers. So here I am using my ESP32 module connected with the MOSFET and a buzzer. We will see the circuit in a later sessions. So all you have to do is that I had made a module. You can get this module from a GitHub page where the link is will be below of this video. So you can download this, which will be particular on MicroPython Morse, and this is my file. You can copy this and paste it into your code, or you can like to download this. So all you have to do is that you have to upload this file to your MicroPython device, where I'm using ESP32 here. You can use anything ESP32 or PyPico or whatever the device you are having, or else maybe the PyBoard. So before that, you have to check that what are the things the file is whether uploaded or not. If you are using Sony, then you can say that in the side of the file icons, the file menus. But here I'm using my VS Code. I'm going to clear my terminal. So here I'm using AMPI module, which was made by Adafruit that communicate with microcontrollers. So I am checking whether file is uploaded or not. That DPS knows. Here my COM port is 8. You have to check whether what is your port, and the ls command will show the files in your MicroPython device. If the device was not uploaded with this file, you have to do this, that just put command and the file name. Okay, that's a command you have to run whether the device is not run, and you have to install AMPI module whether you are using pip or Fonda based upon your machine of Python. Okay, done. This is the main file, the library file or a module for converting our text into MicroPython device Morse code. And this is a test file that we are going to test now, where the device plays. And here I am importing the machine modules. You could find that I am using MPy extension instead of using .py extensions. Because if you are using .py extension, then you have the error that the machine modules can't be found, because Python doesn't has a machine module that MicroPython has. So I don't want my code to show errors. So I made as a MPy extension, which was supported by both MicroPython and CircuitPython devices. And here I'm importing mission modules and the U time, and also you could find that the Morse file. So here I am importing that from BPS Morse. I am importing the characters. You could watch that I am importing the characters because I have two things. One is Morse code. We will see that in the later sessions of this video, where you can make the devices a Morse code player with this, not the device which convert our code. You can make a Morse code key, Morse key with this code. So here we are using up. This is our test file we are going to test now. So here I'm declaring pin 2 as the pin out, where I am connected my buzzer on here with the help of MOSFET, and the circuit is quite simple. Yeah, let me show you a circuit. Okay, done. I'm closing up my terminal. It should be quite easy to see you. All you needed is just a MOSFET, a N-channel MOSFET, preferably N-channel MOSFET, which was quite easy for you. So here I'm using an N-channel MOSFET. It was connected to a pin, a GPIO pin, based upon the program I am declared on my devices. So here I'm using pin 2. It may be different with your interest. So all is that you need a signal, a source. Yeah, process signal. So connected to a gate, a signal pin is connected to the pin, which is a GPIO pin. And you need an external power source, which was connected directly with the MOSFET. I am rotating it. Again. I have to connect this one. That is the bus. So, okay. The negative of your power source connected to the source of the N channel MOSFET. Sorry, it was not on correct. So maybe something that will draw. And you need a buzzer. Here I am using a buzzer. You can also use a sticker, but sticker is not most good. Making a buzzer is the best one. I'm just rotating it. Okay, done. I am connecting one of my buzzer, the positive to one of the pin of buzzer, and another to the. Okay, this is a quite simple diagram that you have to use. This is my circuit diagram. It was so simple. This is just a GPIO pin which you declare on your board, and a simple internal MOSFET and a buzzer with the external power source. Because buzzer mostly takes 5 volt is good, but here my ESP model runs on 3 volts, so it will not be a good one. So I'm using a MOSFET here and nothing much. So I'm opening my terminal and I'm going to run this code. To run this code, you don't need to upload this code to your device because you just need to upload your module file. You don't need to upload your running file now, test file, running file or test file now. So just run command, the file name, 1 minute. Yeah, you could find that. Here I am using pin 2, which is default light LED pin of ESP32 module. So you can also see the light is blinking on. There was a few problem on my power supply. The connection is quite not good. Wait a minute. Sorry for the interruption. There was a problem on my power supply. The pin is not connected properly. So I'm going to run this once again. I am just clearing my terminal. Sorry. And I am again going to run this once again. Yeah, now you can hear the sound. The text is converted into a Morse code. And you can also find the code or the letter alphabet which is running on here. Thank you. Actually, not only alphabets, but also you can use some more numeric things like 1, 2, 3, 5, and you can also have something like full stop or dot, something, some signals, some characters. And if the character is not in Morse code, then no problem. The program just eliminate it. It don't raise error or it don't stop the things. It just eliminate that character which is not on Morse code. Now you can see that not valued because those are the characters which is not valued. So it prints the character which are not on Morse code in my file. And now you can find that if you are using hash and some exclamation. So I'm just saying and run this once again. Yeah, okay, done. The same those are not valued. Uh, you could notice that I'm using MP format that I had told before, and you could notice that I'm having a separate logo, which is the MicroPython logo, not the actual MicroPython logo. It will be in black, and I might have a color logo. Uh, you could see that how you can make a logo for the MP file, because if you are creating either VS Code using VS Code and creating MP file, you get the icon like normal this text file icon. You get, if you want the logo which was customized, stay tuned for my video which I will tell you in the later video. Thank you everyone, hope this might be useful to you. Thank you all.